My name is Andrew Brown, the owner of Highbrow Wood-Fired Kitchen and Bar in Northampton. I went to Smith Vocational High School in town, and I was in the culinary arts program. I kind of excelled and was kind of natural with the knife, and I was kind of good at it. So I worked for Spoleto Restaurant Group from age 16 moving forward, moved down to North Carolina for a couple years, was an executive chef at a French bistro, came back and I was working at Center Square Grill as the executive chef for about 5 years, and then I opened my own place. Highbrow opened October last year. I bought Pizzeria Paradiso and transformed it into Highbrow. We do approachable yet refined cuisine. We have pizza ovens, so we make pizzas. If we didn't have pizza ovens, we wouldn't make pizzas. But we try to source the most fresh, local, delicious, interesting ingredients. So we just kind of keep things fresh and seasonal, and I mean, even literally bi-weekly, whatever's in season, whatever I can get from the farm. I have a very close relationship with a lot of the local farmers. I just did a dinner at Plainville Farm in Hadley, a vegetarian tasting menu. So we just try to keep it fresh and exciting. I started doing the beer dinners a couple months ago. COVID safe, tables 6 feet apart. I sell them the tickets by table rather than by two, so I can't put 2 people with 2 strangers, so it has to be a set of 4. And I'm friends with a lot of like the local brewers and owners of breweries, so it just kind of became a fun thing that we try to do every 2 months. And we feature 6 breweries at a time rather than just like 1 brewery feature. And then we're doing an Oktoberfest on the patio where we're gonna feature 12 different breweries for 6 courses, so it's gonna be pretty exciting. This area is a pretty progressive, artsy town, and it's in the heart of the Pioneer Valley, so literally right across the bridge, you drive into Hadley, and I feel like I'm in California. Good friends with Bruce over at Maple Valley Creamery, so I get all kinds of local cheeses and ice cream, and then I go to Plainville Farms and I pick up whatever's fresh, and he kind of sources from all the other farms around, so it's like a one-stop shop for like local amazing produce. I have a guy that goes out to Boston and gets me fish twice a week. It's just, you know, the access to amazing ingredients that were in a big city, kind of landlocked, you wouldn't really expect to be able to get some of the products that I'm able to get. So we get in early, we have to start our wood fire ovens. They have to burn for about 3 hours before we can sweep the fire to the side and we start cooking pizzas. We come in at about 2 and start prepping, getting everything ready. And then we start cooking pizzas and steaks and pastas and our famous sticky ribs. Currently, during the COVID, we switched up the business plan a little bit. So we used to have a very large menu, about 15 entrees, 15 appetizers, 10 salads, about 20 different pizzas, and we kind of curbed it down. We still offer all the pizzas. We're offering smalls only for dine-in and larges only for dine-out. We have a rotating menu. We do steaks, scallops. We always have our mac and cheese on. Appetizers rotate a little bit. Always have our buffalo-ish chicken wings. We always have our sticky ribs on. And then we have like crab cakes, or we do grilled bacon appetizers. We kind of keep it fun, keep it interesting, change weekly by weekly. My personal favorite is whatever is different and unique that I can get my hands on, I can make something beautiful with.